really coming down now.
I don't like camping anymore. At all. No. Done. I want to go in a house with a roof so when lightning hits it, I'm not going to die. Not happy. Not happy. Not happy.
Coming down now.
I'm so not happy.
But you have your iPad.
We're only got 31% and it's not going to be able to call anybody when we die.
Fine. It's a little windy though now.
You know what it is? It's from the tree that's arcing its way down to land on our head.
Listen.